Most Bluetooth OBD2 scanners are just toys. They read a code, tell you your engine is misfiring, and then leave you guessing. But as an electrical engineer, I'm looking for bi-directional control. That means the tool doesn't just listen to the car, it talks back. Today we are unboxing and testing the Xtool Anyscan A30M. It promises high-level full system diagnostics, 26 plus reset functions, and the holy grail lifetime free updates. The packaging is quite basic. On the pack, you get the photo of the OBD2 scanner, the serial number of the device, and a couple of QR codes to download the mobile apps. Out of the box, you get the A30M dongle. It is rugged, compact, and light. You also have the quality certificate which contains the serial number and activation code. Looking closely at the A30M dongle, the device is well built. At the bottom, it has 3 LED indicators, a red LED for power, a blue LED for Bluetooth connection, and a green LED for communication. It also has a little screen which shows the current battery voltage of the car. An LED flashlight is also included to help you locate the OBD2 port in your car. That is a useful feature. The engine check light in my Toyota Corolla 2006 has been on for some months now. Let's plug in the dongle and carry out a scan to see the cause. In the mobile app, I connected to the dongle via Bluetooth. After scanning, I found 3 faults. Clicking on the DTC list button, we can see a summary of all faults. You can also generate a professional summary of the faults which you can save. Let's try clearing the fault codes by clicking on the Clear All DTC button. Two fault codes has cleared, but one still persists. I guess I need a mechanic to fix the problem. By clicking on the search icon next to a fault code, you get redirected to your web browser where you can find some useful information that could help you resolve the problems on by yourself. Now, after switching off the ignition and switching it on again, we can see that the engine check light has been cleared. The Xtool A30M OBD2 scanner is great and highly recommended. Check description for links to get this product. Thanks for watching and see you next time.